how to get a wholesale license in Texas. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a wholesale license in Texas. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. In Texas, a wholesale license is officially known as a sales and use tax permit. It allows you to buy goods tax-free for resale and then sell them to customers. This is a must-have if you're planning to run a wholesale business in Texas. Before you apply, make sure you have these details ready: your business name and address, the type of business structure you're operating, like an LLC or sole proprietorship, your federal employer identification number FAIN if you have employees, personal information of the business owners. To apply online, head over to the Texas Comptroller's website. Just click on Apply for a Sales and Use Tax Permit and follow the steps. If you prefer to apply by mail, download Form App 201 from the same website, fill it out, and mail it in. Make sure you fill out all the necessary information about your business and indicate that you'll be engaging in wholesale transactions. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your sales and use tax permit. You'll use this when buying goods from suppliers, so you won't have to pay sales tax on items you plan to resell. When making tax-free purchases, provide your suppliers with a Texas resale certificate. This ensures you don't pay sales tax on goods intended for resale. Finally, don't forget that you'll need to file sales tax returns with the Texas Comptroller's Office even if you didn't make any sales. This is a key part of staying compliant with Texas tax laws. That's all for the video.